So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss the question answer part from the unit chemical kinetics. So what is the first problem? The decomposition of a hydrocarbon follows the equation K. K means what? Rate constant is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power 11 second inverse e to the power minus what? 28000 K divided by T. So find out what? Activation energy. So find out activation energy. ठीक है? So हमको activation energy find out करना है. So what is the equation? Equation क्या था? 28000 K divided by T. So this is our given equation. So what is Arrhenius equation? K is equal to what? A into e to the power minus EA divided by what? RT. So compare these two equation. So on comparison क्या मिलेगा? A is equal to what? 4.5 into 10 to the power 11 second inverse. We just need the value of what? Activation energy. And क्या मिलेगा? E to the power minus EA divided by what? RT is equal to e to the power minus 28000 K divided by what? T. So इसमें क्या होगा? T and T is cancel out. वो भी होगा. So before that अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? This is one exponential, this is exponential. ये negative है, ये negative है. So or what you can write? EA by RT is equal to what? 28000 K divided by T. So T and T that is cancel out. That is what? EA is equal to what? 28000 K into what? R. Okay. So what is the value of R? R का value क्या था? 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. That is 28000 K into 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. So Kelvin and Kelvin inverse that is cancel out. That is 28000 into 8.314 joule mole inverse. So you can multiply this, then you will get the value of what? Activation energy, that is EA. ठीक है? So ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. ओके? So अगर किसी को डाउट है, you can comment me. So now let us consider one more question. A first order reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% completion. ठीक है? So find out half life period. So क्या फाइंड करना है? Half life period. So in the question, what is the order first order? So for first order, what is the half life period? T half is equal to what? 0.693 divided by K. So K means what? Rate constant. So in the question, rate constant का value given है क्या? So the value of rate constant is not given. But what is given? A first order reaction takes 40 minutes for what? 30% completion. अभी देखो for 30% completion. R क्या होगा? R is equal to what? R naught minus 30 by 100. R naught. ये फॉर्मूला पहले मिला है ना? फॉर्मूला क्या था? R is equal to what? R naught minus x by 100 R naught. So this is the formula. So इसमें क्या होगा? 70 by 100 R naught. So this is the value of what? R. पर हमको कैसे ये? So for first order reaction, what is the integrated equation? 2.303 divided by what? T log of R naught by what? R. So put the value. So put the value of what? T and R. So T का वैल्यू कितना दिया है? 40. So K is equal to what? 2.303 divided by what? 40 log of R naught. What is the value of R? 70 by 100. That is what? R naught. R naught is what? Cancel out. So क्या मिलेगा? 2.303 divided by 40 log of 100 by what? 70. ठीक है? So log of 100 by 70 means what? Log of 100 minus log of 70. That is, you can write log of 10 minus log of 7. So log of 10 means what? 1. Log of 7 means what? 0.845. ठीक है? So then what will get the value? So 1.000.845. ठीक है? So that is क्या मिलेगा अभी? So 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. So 0.155. ठीक है? So 0.155. So now you will get K is equal to what? 2.303 divided by 40. ठीक है? So log of this one means what? 0.155. So इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो. So मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा? What is the value? So value क्या मिलेगा? K is equal to what? 2.303 into what? 0.155 divided by 40. ठीक है? So finally you will get the value of what? 0.0084. K is equal to this one. ठीक है? Okay, let's wait. हाँ ठीक है. So finally तुमको K का वैल्यू मिल गया. So T half is equal to what? 0.693 divided by K. K means what? 0.0084. So you'll get the value. So you can find by yourself. That is what unit क्या होगा? So टाइम क्या दिया था? मिनट दिया था. So अभी क्या हो जाएगा? मिनट. ठीक है? So in this way you can find out the what? Value. अगर किसी को कुछ डाउट है, you can ask me in the what? Comment section. और खुद डिवाइड कर सकते हो. और एक प्रॉब्लम देखो. A reaction is first order with respect to reactant A and second order with respect to reactant B. Okay, so write down the rate law. So what is question number B? Find out the order. Okay, what is question number 3? How the rate of the reaction affect it? How the rate of the reaction affect it when concentration of B increases by 2 times. ठीक है, so this is the question. So पहले क्या लिखना है? rate law. So rate law means what? Rate law means what? Rate is equal to K into. So what is the first reactant? A. So first order means what? Power कितना होगा? 1 होगा. And what is the second reactant? That is B. So उसका order कितना है? Second है, means 2. So this is the what? Rate law. So then क्या लिखना है? Find out the order. Order means what? Sum of the power of the concentration. So order क्या होगा? Order is equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, that is what? 3. ठीक है? And question number 3 में क्या दिया है? How the rate of the reaction affected when the concentration of B increases by what? 2 times. Means what? How the rate of the reaction affected when the concentration of B is double. Then क्या होगा? अभी हमने क्या किया है? B का concentration डबल किया है. Then rate क्या होगा? Rate is equal to what? K. A में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं है. B का concentration क्या हुआ है? अभी डबल हो गया. So 2 square means 4. So 4 आगे आ जाएगा. 4K A B square. So compare this to 1. What is the difference? The rate of the reaction increases by what? 4 times. It means rate of the reaction increases by 4 times. ठीक है? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. So let us discuss one more problem. A reaction is quadruples when temperature changes from 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin. Okay, so find out the activation energy. A reaction is what? Quadruple. Means what? What do you mean by a reaction is quadruple? Means what? If the rate constant, if one of the rate constant is K, then second one will be what? 4K. ठीक है? So इसमें क्या दिया? There are two temperature, 293 Kelvin and 313 Kelvin. So this is what T1, this is T2. Means what? What you have to apply? You have to what? Apply the Arrhenius equation at two different temperature. ठीक है? So that is, what is the Arrhenius equation at two different temperature? Log of K2 by K1 is equal to EA divided by what? 2.303 R 1 by T1 minus what 1 by T2। तो इसमें क्या होगा से K1 is equal to what K, then क्या होगा K2 will be 4K। It is given in the question and T1 क्या दिया है 293 Kelvin। What is the value of T2? T2 का वैल्यू कितना दिया है 313 Kelvin। So now तुमको एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी फाइंड करना है। दिस इज व्हाट K2 का वैल्यू मिल गया, K1 मिल गया, EA का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। R मींस व्हाट यूनिवर्सल गैस कांस्टेंट, वैल्यू कितना है 8.314 जूल केल्विन इनवर्स मोल इनवर्स। टेंपरेचर इज गिवन। सो जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू। सो वैल्यू पुट अप करने से क्या होगा अभी log of K2 means what 4K divided by what K is equal to what EA divided by 2.303 into what 8.314 ये जूल केल्विन इनवर्स मोल इनवर्स होगा, ठीक है। सो into what 1 by 293 minus 1 by 313, ठीक है। K and K that is what cancel out, so क्या होगा log of 4, log of 4 means what log of 2 square, ठीक है। so log of 2 square means what वो पावर था 2 log of 2, ठीक है। so what is the value of log of 2? log of 2 का वैल्यू कितना है 0.301। so मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होगा 0.602, 0.602। so what is the value of log of 4? 0.602 is equal to EA divided by what 2.303 into 8.314। so इसमें क्या होगा 313 minus what 293 divided by 293 into what 313, ठीक है। और तुमको एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी चाहिए दैट इज व्हाट EA। ये क्या आ जाएगा 313 minus 293 मींस व्हाट क्या होगा 20। so EA is equal to what 0.602 into 2.303 into what 8.314 into 293 into what 313 divided by what 20। so एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी मींस व्हाट यूनिट क्या होगा जूल पर मोल, किलोजूल भी हो सकता है बट इसमें क्या था जूल था, so जूल मोल इनवर्स। so ये मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करने के बाद तुमको क्या मिलेगा 5.28 into 10 to the power 4 joule mole inverse। so this is the what value of activation energy, ठीक है। so ऐसे क्वेश्चन तुम लोग का एग्जाम में आ सकता है। so if you have any doubt regarding the chemical kinetics you can ask me in the comment section। so in the next class we'll go to the what next chapter, ठीक है।